Wait, don't screw. If your belly feel heavy or your skin look tired or your energy keep dropping, this drink will change everything. I combine 9 powerful ingredients from grapefruit to ginger, cloves into one daily detox that melts stubborn belly fat, reducing bloating, boosting immunity, and clean your skin naturally. It takes just 5 minutes to make this drink. So guys, before you use your vegetables or your fruit, always make sure to wash it very well. Because watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you guys the benefit about the peels that you are peeling from the orange or other fruit, so that anytime when you peel, you will not waste it again. You will know what you can do to get the benefit from it. So but before that, you have to watch the video to the end, because after the ending you will see what I will do with these peels. Well, first I start to peel my orange. While peeling it, we'll also talk about the benefit of orange. Orange is boosting immunity and brightening skin. Orange is not standing there. It also helps to, it's having vitamin C, vitamin B1. So orange, as you have, if you know that you have dull skin or your skin is not skinning and you are eating or you are drinking orange, is going to help you to brighten your skin, especially when you are drinking fresh. This orange is going to help you to brighten your skin. So our next ingredient is grapefruit. So I'm going to peel my grapefruit. While peeling the grapefruit, also I will tell you guys the benefit of grapefruit. Grapefruit also is burning belly fat very quick naturally while you are drinking grapefruit, and also it's controlling the appetite. So grapefruit is very powerful. Grapefruit also is not standing there, because grapefruit also is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, okay, and complex. So this drink also, or this ingredient, the one that I'm just peeling, you guys see, is very powerful. Don't joke with grapefruit. So now after that, after peeling it, I start to cut it smaller pieces to put inside my blender. My daughter says she wants to eat it, so I just take some part and give it to her. For me, I know I cannot eat it that way, but for her, she's eating, you know, different. So I'm cutting it smaller pieces to put inside my blender, because like so now I'm cutting it into smaller pieces, because when you cut it that way, that is making you easier to blend, okay? But if you have maybe juice machine, no problem, then you are good to go. You can use the juice machine. But if you don't have juice machine, then you have to cut it smaller pieces and do. So these peels also, I'm putting it aside, because as I told you guys, I'm not throwing away. Every garbage is having use in my house, especially concerned about vegetables, peels and fruit. So the next ingredient that I'm peeling right now is my kiwi. Kiwi also is boosting collagen and also supporting gut healthy. Kiwi is also having vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K. So kiwi also is one of the powerful ingredients that I'm going to say. When you just see that small like this, how powerful this thing it is, and it's not ending there. Even kiwi also is good for healthy hair. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair, add kiwi into your routine things. It's very powerful. So now after cut this one, I just going to take this water to put half of it and blend it. So after blending, you guys can see, so I blend the first batch, so the next one that I'm going on again. So now I'm cutting my green apple, okay? Green apple also is very powerful. It's controlling blood sugar and aids weight loss, okay? Green apple is also having vitamin C, vitamin B6 and potassium. Green apple is also support fullness. Like when you are drinking it, it will help your stomach. Guys, I'm so sorry for this video, for the noise of my daughter. So green apple, while you are drinking it, it's also going to support you for your stomach. You are not going to be feeling any hunger. If you are not feeling hunger, you know, you are not bothering to eat something. which is going to help you for your belly fat. So that's why green apple also is one of the powerful ingredients I'm going to say. So after the green apple, the next one is going to be my mandarin. That one I'm just using my hand to peel it, because the way I'm using knife to peel it, maybe you guys can think, oh, why you cannot use your hand to do? Yeah, you can use, so you can use hand, you can use knife to peel it. Which one that you think that it can be easier for you, just use that method to do to peel your thing. So now I'm peeling my mandarin. Mandarin also is boosting metabolism and also hydrating the body. Mandarin also is having vitamin C and vitamin A and vitamin B. So after mandarin, the next thing is my lamb that I'm going to cut. I will see some parts it look like it's spoiled, so I have to cut it, make sure that the lamb is safe before I use it. So always try to cross-check your ingredients very well when you see that there are some marks on place that you think it's necessary for you to cut it before you use to blend or to juice it. So now 2 mandarin or 3 mandarin that I'm going to use, because of there are some parties that it look like the lamb is having problems, so that's why I'm using 3. But normally when I'm doing this drink, I always make only 2 lamb, but this time around I'm making 3. So because of the ones that I cut out, so I just take another one to add it. So lemon also is reducing bloating and detoxifying your liver. Lemon also is having vitamin C, so it's very good, and also it's also brightening your skin inside to outside, from inside to outside. So lemon is very good. So after that, my next ingredient was my ginger. Let's check and see ginger benefit. Ginger also is having anti-inflammatory, also speeding metabolism, and is having vitamin C and magnesium, which is very good. Ginger also is helping you if you have throat sore and you are drinking ginger, is going to heal it very quick. Ginger also is heating your immune system, your body. While you are drinking it, your body is going to get heat. Why is doing like that? That's how your belly fat is going to be melting your belly fat for you to be flushing it out. So ginger is very powerful. When you guys notice all my detox during that I'm doing, from 2 years ago, because when you go screw my videos go down, you may see that I used to make these drinks before, but after I stop it. But now I say no, I'm not going to stop it again, because sometimes you can be drinking after you give yourself a time. So those videos also, ginger was not joking with ginger, because ginger was one of the best thing I always add into my drinks. So now the next ingredient I'm adding right now is my cloves. Okay, it's my cloves. So I'm going to add cloves also. Cloves also is strong antioxidant. It's also fighting for bacteria. So cloves is also having vitamin K and magnesium. Cloves is very powerful. So now you can see the drink that I got. So I used 2 cups of water to add and blend it. So after this way, if you want, you can still dilute it if you think that the drink is too heavy. When I'm saying heavy, like it's too strong for you, you still have chance. You can dilute it before you start to drink, or when you are going to drink, you just take amount of small and use it as a shot way to drink it. But for me, no problem for me. I love it this way, because this is the way that I feel like it's working more for me. So it depends of how your mouth, if is strong for you, then dilute it before drinking. This thing before doing, always try to make sure wash all the ingredients very well and slice it. Your fruit, peel it. Gingers, you have to peel it, the necessary one, and before you blend it. So now after everything, I start to take 1 cup of it and start drinking, enjoying myself. If you are drinking this thing and you want to get the you want the benefit, you have to be consistent. That's what I'm saying. I was consistently drinking it after I give myself a break time. So now I'm back with with a lot of energy. I'm not stopping again. I'm just drinking my drink, because the time that I stopped was I was pregnant. So there were some things that when I'm drinking, pregnant woman, you don't like it, and I was not liking it again, so I stopped drinking it. So now I'm back again with my drinks. So drink this at least 7 to 14 days consistency. Yes. So drink this thing, at least the best time also to drink it is in the morning, empty stomach. Drink it an empty stomach in the morning before you eat anything. Okay, before you brush, try to drink it before. Consistency, 7 to 14 days consistency, and watch your body, how your body is going to be. You yourself, you are going to love your body. The energy is going to increase. Your body is going to be glowing. You are going to detoxify your liver also. At the same time, your belly fat is going to be melting. If you are looking for a long life, living healthy ways, hydrating your body, this drink is for you. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for me. And my carrot butter is available for selling. If you want some, please, you can send me, you can DM me for your own. Okay, I'm selling carrot body butter. It's good for, it's safe for children and adults, so anyone who wants, you can patronize me. Thank you very much. Until our next episode for our, whether this channel, you know what we are doing. I'm doing DIY to take care of your natural hair, at the same time take care of your body to look more beautiful, to look more grateful. Okay, bye bye.